Hi, this is Adam Carlson, Student Affairs Counselor at FDU School of Pharmacy. Thank you very much for participating in this video training as part of the Student Pharmacists Association's Alliance Peer Mentoring Program. This training will be centered around identifying and reporting red flag situations. In your role as a peer mentor, it'll be very important that you establish a collegial relationship with your mentee in order to help smoothen their transition into pharmacy school. As a mentor, you might come across a situation where another student divulges some sensitive information to you. Although it's very important for us to maintain student trust and confidentiality, sometimes there are situations that will pose as red flags, and those will warrant the attention of the appropriate professional. If you ever have a doubt or a bad feeling, please immediately reach out to any of the School of Pharmacy Student Affairs staff members. In order to best maintain the safety and well-being of your mentee, yourself, and the university, we ask that you report any of these situations that might deem a red flag to you. Some examples of them are the following. If a student expresses intent to cause harm to himself or herself. If a student expresses intent to cause harm to another student, a faculty member, or a staff member. If a student expresses intent or tells you that they have completed a violation of any Fairleigh Dickinson University policy or a state or a federal law. And also if a student expresses that they might have been a victim of any form of violence, theft, or serious crime. If you encounter or are made aware of any of the circumstances that we just mentioned within the scope of your role as a peer mentor, it's your responsibility to report those situations to the appropriate professional. When in doubt, just err on the side of caution. As mentioned earlier, if you ever have a bad feeling or you're not sure who to report to, please reach out to a School of Pharmacy Student Affairs staff member. For immediate emergencies that take place on campus, you should report these instances to FDU's Public Safety Office. If you're off campus and you are made aware of an immediate emergency in relation to your mentee and mentor capacity, call 911. And for any emergency that happens at all, please make sure that we at the School of Pharmacy Student Affairs are made aware of it. Thank you very much, and I hope that this was helpful.